All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still in the very beginning of our human emotions detection module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Today we did some note taking, pretty much the same as yesterday. We did do a little bit more of implementing our data set, and getting that configured in our notebook. So let's have a look at everything that's going on so far. First, we're gonna do some light reading, and then I'll show you the notebook. So we are now going to take a closer look at the data set we will be using. Notice that inside our data set we have test and train directories. Inside each directory we will see three different folders with the labels happy, sad, and angry. So what we do is generally when trying to create these kind of data sets from classification problems, what we want to do is make sure that we put each of the three different images in separate folders. So I can show you that when we actually get there. But let's have a look at the notebook for now. So this you see here, this is how we have our train directory. It's going to be human emotions is the name of our folder with our data set. And we're going to get the training aspect of that for the training. And then the validation directory is going to be the human emotions images data set. And we're going to get the testing aspect of that. So let me show you what the actual data set looks like. I brought it over here to the notebook. Even though it's actually installed on the actual laptop, I brought it to the notebook so we can see it over here also and have access to it. Of course, that's going to take all long to load up. So let me show you actually inside the actual laptop where we have it at. So we're gonna pull that up. Let's get that going. Let's go to downloads. Let's see if we can get this moving. Kaggle, archive. Here it is. Here, archive here. And this is what the data set looks like. Emotional data set. And I actually renamed it so I can have access to it easier and know exactly where to find it at without having to look through a bunch of files. And if you open that up, you see we have here the train and then we have the test, and these are both directories. So you open up the train, you'll have three folders inside. You'll see they have sad, happy, angry, and it'll be the same thing inside the test. See here, and it'll be sad, happy, and angry. And what these are just images of sad people, happy people, angry people, and that's for both data sets. So that's why we have the three different folders there for each of those classifications. So let's go back over here to the notebook. So you see here the train. That's still taking awfully long to load up, so it's going to bypass that. So you can see here the train data set is going to actually be three different folders in one. So it's not just training on one specific emotion. It's all three of the emotions inside of that training data set, as well as the test. And the train is assigned to the train directory, and the test is assigned to the validation directory. So that's that there. This is the code we're going to use, and these are the parameters. And we're not going to use all of them probably. We're just getting everything queued up. And this is everything that goes inside of it. You can see we already started with the train directory. That's this here. So that's letting me know we're going to be doing the training first. So that's that. And that's pretty much everything we went over with the TensorFlow. I actually did start a new model outside of the course for the Huggy Face. Let's see if I can find you that one here. That's this here. And with this one, all of the inputs are holding up. And the code is looking good so far. So it's looking pretty good so far. I think we're going to be able to take it all away. And what this particular model is, this one is going to be a visual question answerer. So we'll be able to actually input a picture or image into our model, and it should be able to explain to us what's going on inside of the image or picture and let us know the items inside of it. So yeah, so it sounds pretty interesting. I'm hoping it goes through. It's going to take awfully long to download. That's why I haven't downloaded it yet, because I've been doing my coursework. But once I'm done with the coursework, I'll actually download it and see if it goes all the way. It's going to take maybe an hour or two because it's a big file. It's going to take a long time to download and get everything done. But I will keep you updated on the progress of that, and of course, I will keep you posted on the progress of the coursework. But for now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.